Hematuria means blood in urine. প্রত্যেকটা এমসিকিউর পরে শর্ট ফর্মগুলো দেওয়া আছে হ্যামাচুরিয়া মিন্স কি, এবং আজকে আমরা হ্যামাচুরিয়া থেকে 50টি এমসিকিউ উইথ অ্যান্সার অ্যান্ড এক্সপ্লেনেশন সহ দেখে নেব। আশা করি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই শেয়ার করবেন। Gross hematuria means blood visible in urine. Gross hematuria means blood visible in urine. Microscopic hematuria is detected by urine microscopic examination. Urine microscopic examination. Common renal cause of hematuria is glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis. Which of the following can cause hematuria due to infection? UTI. UTI. In kidney stones, hematuria occurs due to trauma to urinary tract. Trauma to urinary tract. Hematuria with flank pain indicates kidney stone. Which color indicates gross hematuria? Red or brown? Red or brown? Hematuria after strenuous exercise is physiological. Hematuria after strenuous exercise is physiological. Drug that can cause hematuria, warfarin. Drug that can cause hematuria, warfarin. Which diagnostic test confirms hematuria? Urine microscopy. Which diagnostic test confirms hematuria? Urine microscopy. Cystoscopy is done to examine bladder and urethra. Cystoscopy is done to examine bladder and urethra. Which of the following is not a cause of hematuria? Asthma. Which of the following is not a cause of hematuria? Asthma. Hematuria is glomerulonephritis is due to damage of glomerulonephritis. Damage of glomerulonephritis. Protein and RBC in urine suggest glomerular disease. Glomerular disease. Hematuria with fever and dysuria suggest UTI. UTI. Which of the following lab findings confirms infection-related hematuria? High WBC in urine. High WBC in urine. Which vitamin deficiency causes bleeding tendency and may lead to hematuria? Vitamin K. A patient with painless hematuria may have bladder cancer. Hematuria associated with hypertension suggests glomerulonephritis. Which test checks kidney function in hematuria cases? BUN burn and creatinine. If hematuria occurs after trauma, the cause is post-renal. Recurrent hematuria in a young man is suggestive of immunoglobulin A nephropathy. Which test is used to detect infection in hematuria? Urine culture. Best initial investigation in hematuria: urine routine and microscopy. Urine routine and microscopy. Cola colored urine indicates glomerular source. Burning urination with blood indicates cystitis. Which habit increases risks of bladder cancer and hematuria? Smoking. Which habit increases risks of bladder cancer and hematuria? Smoking. Which part of kidney filters RBC? Normally glomerulus. Which electrolyte imbalance may accompany renal hematuria? High potassium. Painful hematuria commonly indicates infection or stones. A nurse should observe which parameter in hematuria? Urine color and output. Which patient complaint indicates hematuria? My urine looks red. Which of the following is a systemic cause of hematuria? Hypertension. Hematuria due to menstruation contamination is classified as false hematuria. Which of the following can mimic hematuria? Beetroot ingestion. Which imaging is used for detecting stones in hematuria? Ultrasound. In elderly males, hematuria may indicate prostate enlargement. Which bacteria commonly causes UTI leading to hematuria? Escherichia coli. Fast nursing action when noticing hematuria. Record color and amount of urine. A nurse should encourage the patient with hematuria to increase fluid intake. Which system is affected in hematuria? Urinary system. Hematuria with pus cells indicates infection. Which part of nephron prevents RBC leakage in normal condition? Glomerular basement membrane. Hematuria after taking anticoagulant drugs indicates drug-induced bleeding. Which symptoms differentiates UTI from glomerulonephritis? Burning urination. Best preventive measures for UTI-related hematuria. Proper personal hygiene. Which part of urinary tract is most commonly affected by stones? Ureter. Hematuria due to renal trauma may lead to shock. Prolonged hematuria without treatment may cause anemia. Total 50 MCQ completed. All are nursing exam oriented, covering cause, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and nursing care.